In this video, we're going to go over exactly what YouTube automation is, how these channels are making money from it, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step formula on how you can start your own YouTube automation channel and start making passive income from it. So without waiting any longer, let's get into this video. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is John Mitchum, and one of the biggest questions I've been getting asked lately is, what is YouTube automation? In simple terms, YouTube automation is exactly what it sounds like. It's a system set in place to grow your YouTube channel on autopilot. The great thing is, with this type of channel, you're not showing your face, doing any voiceovers, or even uploading your own videos. You're running your YouTube channel as a business owner instead of a content creator. This type of channel can be broken down into 5 main components. The first component, just like these other 4 components I would be talking to you about, can all be done by finding a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork. Once you have the freelancer, do the research to find the topic and create the title, you're gonna send it over to the next freelancer. And that freelancer right there is gonna knock out the second component, which is writing the video script for you. Once this freelancer has finished writing the script for you, they're gonna send it back to you or send it to the next freelancer. And this freelancer is gonna be knocking out the third component, which is doing the voiceover for the script. Doing the voiceover for the script, all they're gonna be doing is talking into a microphone and reading the script that the second freelancer wrote for you. Once this freelancer is done with the voiceover, they're gonna send it over to the next freelancer, and this freelancer is going to be doing all the B-roll and editing all the video for you. And from there, it's going to get sent over to the 5th freelancer, and they're going to be creating the thumbnail for you. And from there, the last place it's going to go to is your channel manager. Your channel manager is going to be the one to put everything together. They're going to put your title in there. They're going to do your description, and they're going to upload the video for you, and none of it's going to be in your hands. All you're going to be doing is overseeing all the operations just like a business owner. And like I mentioned, with the first component, all this can be done by finding a freelancer on great sites like Fiverr and Upwork. And that's YouTube automation. You're literally making passive income as a business owner instead of a content creator, sitting on the beach, wherever, making passive income, hanging out with your friends, your family, and the money keeps coming in, the views are going up, gaining more subscribers, and month by month, making more money, pulling yourself away from your job and experiencing financial freedom. If you have any questions on how to start a YouTube automation channel or want to learn more about YouTube automation, leave a comment down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer all your comments as soon as they come in. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.